And I can obviously see one of your prints in the background there, your shiny X7. But it'd be great if you could just give an outline of where you are at the moment with your portfolio. You know, the printers that you have, and I guess what, you know, if there's a reason why you particularly use one or the other for different applications. You know what that is
Yeah.
from your user point.
Yeah, so we've got two printers. We've got the X7 and the Mark II. The idea behind getting the two was that we wanted to have a small machine that we could try stuff out on, and a larger machine that we could absolutely fill with parts and leave and be really confident that that's going to run for you know, a few days. Not that we've actually ever had a problem with the Mark II either, but that's the reason we went for a desktop and an industrial version. So when we were buying it, we wanted the confidence that we were going to have something that could run 4 or 5 days. You leave it, you get absolute huge numbers of parts off of it. It's really, really reliable. And then we have the smaller machine, and that helps us, if that large machine's running and someone needs a part the next day, that helps us kind of say, okay, quickly, let's get one on the Mark II. That's going to be an overnight print. We're going to have a lot more different and quicker delivery of jobs maybe on the Mark II, because we leave the X7 to print a few days.
Yeah, and I guess that versatility is very useful, you know, for you when you're sort of serving so many different parts of the business, and I think it's you know, it's something we see in a lot of customers having this versatility around their additive portfolio. Yeah,
We started printing rework fixtures for people. We've done a few of those now, and that's a really good one for getting an overnight delivery. So that's where the small machine really comes in useful.
Yeah, right. Yeah, and I mean, it's been, I guess in some ways, it's been quite a short journey since February, but you know, very interesting. You know, certainly with this year and the applications you've had, and I think, you know, you've adopted it so well. It'd be great, you know, if you could just